Hi there students. Old hat. Notice, no glasses, so I've got no notes. Old hat is talking about something that is old and boring. It's not new. Hackneyed, if you like. He told a joke, but it was old hat. It was a joke I'd heard various times before. So the opposite of old hat is new and interesting. Something that's old hat, it's unoriginal. It's something that's been used a lot of times. So think about it. If you're wearing a new hat, then it's new and different. But maybe if you're wearing an old hat that you've worn 1,000 times before, then it doesn't look new and different and original on you. So we use old hat as an adjective to say that you've heard it 1,000 times before. This is not original, it's not new. It's not something that everyone's going to go, ooh, that's interesting. It's boring because they've heard it all before. Yeah? The explanation he gave was old hat. He didn't give any new and exciting information in his explanation. So, old hat is an informal way of saying something's been used before. The information in the book was all old hat. There was nothing new. The poems he writes are all old hat. It's like he uses lines from other poets and just sticks them all together. Cut, paste, cut, paste. It's old hat. It's nothing groundbreaking. Okay? Yeah, it's hackneyed, like I said as I started. Notice, old hat, this is informal English. Great for an informal conversation. Yeah, maybe you could say the phrase old hat is old hat. Or maybe it's not. Maybe it's one you don't know. Informal, so don't use it in a formal conversation or a formal setting. Yeah, something that's old hat is something that's hackneyed, been used before. I think hackneyed is a nice synonym for the antonym for old hat. Okay? So, old hat, something that is unoriginal. It's been used or heard or seen 1,000 times before. And informal. So, if you enjoyed the video and you didn't think it was old hat, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Old hat.